Hello guys and welcome back to CreativeProcessDIY. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this Delta Foundations stainless bathroom sink faucet with drain. First, shut off both hot and cold water supply valves at the sink. Remove lock nuts from the new faucet. If your sink is uneven, use silicone under the gasket. Place faucet through the mounting holes in the sink. Using lock nuts provided, secure faucet to sink. Remove stopper and flange. Remove pivot nut. Apply silicone to underside of flange. Install horizontal rod and stopper as removable or non-removable. Screw flange into body. Hold assembly in place, do not twist. Pivot hole must face faucet. Tighten nut, washer and gasket. Remove excess silicone if you have it. Insert lift rod through faucet. I just finished attaching horizontal rod to strap using clip. It's time to connect assembly to drain. And finally, make connections to water lines. So I just finished entire installation and now I'm gonna turn on both hot and cold water lines. Now we can check everything for leaks. I'm gonna put paper towel under the drain and looks like everything is dry, which is really good. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.